If your Downloads folder is turning into a mess or you simply want files to save somewhere else automatically, this tutorial will show you exactly how to change the download location in Microsoft Edge. The process only takes a minute, and once it's set up, Edge will automatically save future downloads to your chosen folder. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Now move to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu icon. From here, choose Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look on the left side and click Downloads. Edge will instantly show the correct download settings section. Inside Downloads, you'll see the current folder where downloaded files are being saved. Right next to it, click the Change button. A file browser window will now appear. This is where you choose your new download location. You can select another folder on your computer, save files to a second drive, or even create a brand new folder just for downloads. For example, some people create separate folders for videos, work documents, software installers, or school files to stay more organized. After selecting the folder you want, confirm the change. From now on, Microsoft Edge will automatically send downloaded files to this new location. There's also another useful setting here that many people miss. You may see an option called Ask me what to do with each download, or ask where to save each file before downloading. If you turn this on, Edge will ask you where to save every file individually before the download starts. This is helpful if you download lots of different file types and don't want everything mixed together in one folder. And don't worry, you can always come back later and change the download location again at any time. Overall, changing the download location in Microsoft Edge is a simple setting, but it can make managing downloads much cleaner and easier. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Microsoft Edge tutorials, browser tips, and tech guides.